Hello, and welcome to today's book reading class. This video tutorial is designed to encourage you to pick up a copy of this book and read it. Today, we'll look at The Five Find Outers and Dog, also known as The Five Find Outers and Dog, another wonderful adventure mystery children's book series. The author is Enid Blyton. The Five Find Outers and Dog in their community of Peterswood, on Bourne End, near Marlow, Buckinghamshire, solve a mystery almost every school holiday. The five find outers are Fatty, Larry, Pip, Daisy, and Bets. Buster, Fatty's dog, is also present. They generally solve the case before Mr. Goon, the local village cop who, much to their displeasure, continually interferes with their investigations. Superintendent Jenks, a friend of the five find outers. The title of today's book is The Mystery of Tally-Ho Cottage. It was first released in 1954. It is the 12th book of the Five Find Outers' 15-part mystery series. The 12th book, The Mystery of Tally-Ho Cottage, is another fine tale, involving a stolen painting and its whereabouts. Goon's nephew Ern once again comes to visit, supposedly to help his uncle, but inevitably he sides again with the five. This time, he has a bigger role to play, and actually has 4 whole chapters almost to himself in the middle of the book, when he is given the job of shadowing the suspects. Priceless old picture stolen from famous gallery, says the newspapers. Thieves just escaped the net of police, leaving their dog behind. Police are looking everywhere for the Lorenzos. The Lorenzos of Tally-Ho Cottage have disappeared along with a priceless painting, but they've left behind their treasured poodle. It's up to Fatty, Larry, Daisy, Pip and Bets to track down the Lorenzos and the missing painting. It all centers round Tally-Ho Cottage down by the river. 2 runaways, a stolen picture, a little white poodle, and the 5 find outers and dog on the job. The find outers decide to keep their eyes and ears open for the thieves, returning to Tally-Ho Cottage, where an elderly couple called Mr. and Mrs. Larkin are looking after Lorenzo's much-loved dog, Poppet. Happily Ern is on hand to watch the elderly couple's cottage in case they decide to creep back in the cover of darkness, and is a great help to the find outers. A stolen rubber bone which provokes Fatty to wonder why the Larkins would steal such a thing, when they ill-treat Poppet the poodle so badly. Does it point towards deception? Is Mrs. Larkin isn't Mrs. Larkin at all? Once again, it is Bets who makes an idle remark, "I'm glad that horrid Mrs. Larkin is so much nicer to dear little Poppet. She might be Mrs. Lorenzo the way she fusses her now." How does this Bets statement solve the crime? To find the answers, you must read this fantastic book and assist the 5 get-outers in solving the mystery. Your responses can be written in the comments section. BookLuv recommends you to read this book. This video tutorial is intended to motivate you to get a copy of the book and read it. Do you want to discover more about the other fantastic adventures of the 5 Find Outers? You can click the playlist for Find Outers series button on your screen and watch the video of their other adventures. Goodbye, and happy reading!